I am logged into my Coda account. I will start with creating a new document. Then I go search for my pack. So once there, so I'm about to add this pack to my document. So click on that, the authentication flow starts. So I choose this account. Since this is not verified, it's not showing the app name, but instead the domain name. It asks for two permissions. One, to read the Google Drive files. The next is to read the spreadsheet. This is used to list recent spreadsheets from the drive, and this is to used to read the contents of the spreadsheet. So I click on allow. So now it's added. Here I can see the recent files from my drive. So these are my files, and this is the file I'm going to read. So I'm drag dropping this. So I get all the columns. I start the sync. Now I get the data and I display it as a table inside the document itself. I can update the data anytime and I can sync back. Say I'm updating this data, I'm syncing it, it's updated. So I have another option in this pack that lets you create a sheet. So here I select my account. Then I give a name, new sheet, just some sample data. So far I have got permission from the user to just read the list of files in the drive, also read the content of a spreadsheet, but this requires creating a spreadsheet. So when I click on it, it will ask me to re-authenticate. Go there, select the account. Now it will ask for the additional permission. Can't allow. I click on it now. So the new file is created. So this is how the authentication flow works in the pack that I installed in the Coda doc.